Hi, I'm Joe, and as part of this short video for Marinsiders, I wanted to cover the topic of budgeting. With everything that's going on in the world right now, we're seeing lots of advertisers making changes and shifts to their budgets. Marin's What If and budget planning tool allows advertisers to look at a range of different budgeting options and to see exactly what they would get in terms of clicks, revenue, and profit for any given budget. We'll also tell them exactly how to update their bid strategies for any budgeting level, and this allows them to achieve the optimal outcome for that level of spend. Essentially, what the Marin tool is doing is saying which areas of your account should you be taking budget from, and where should you be moving it to increase an overall account level target. Now let's get into the app and we can see the workflow in action. Marin's forecasting abilities allow advertisers to not only plan, but also make optimizations on where they should put their budget in terms of their bidding setup. Here we can see the results we would get for different levels of spend, and we can select different periods of times we want to forecast. I can easily select this week, month, quarter, or look at date ranges in the future. Once we have selected our date range, we can also look at the type of metrics that we want to see. Here, I can move from being forecasted on clicks to seeing my publisher cost and overall number of conversions for that level of spend. We can also choose what we're looking to maximize, either looking to maximize clicks, conversions, revenue, or profit type metrics. Once I've selected conversions, I can then see how many conversions I will get for any level of budget spend. This helped me look for points of maximum efficiency on my forecasting curve. Once we've selected these forecasts, the recommended targets will also update. So Marin will be telling you where you should be pushing your budget through in terms of your bid strategies and where you should be taking budget away to achieve an overall efficient level of spend. As you've just seen, Marin's budgeting tool allows advertisers to make data-driven budgeting decisions during these unusual times. We'll be continuing to share our help and guidance, but if you do have any questions in the meantime, do reach out to us and we'll get back to you.